Hey guys, so I'm doing a DCC install on the new Kato ALC-42 and N scale, and saw this on a YouTube comment on another video on the DCC install, and took me a second to figure out, so I thought that maybe be helpful to put this tip out there. So when you're doing the install, there's a little box here. It's three-sided. Seems like it was some kind of support for when they were doing the injection mold. And with the regular light board in there, it's not a problem. But with the DCC board, it's got this big bump kind of right about where that box is. So you have to either trim that out with a hobby knife, or I used a kind of combination of a X-Acto knife and coarse sandpaper to scrape away at it, and then that got it to be flat enough that when you put the body shell on, it should be able to sit flush. You can see, nice and flat. And the other thing is, when you're doing the DCC install, what happened to me is, I figured this out, was I would put the decoder on without the body shell and it would work. But then when I put the body shell on, it would be unresponsive, the lights wouldn't light up or anything, because the body shell was pushing down on the decoder where the contacts were hitting the frame, where they should be hitting the frame, causing them to not make good contact. So after you save that down, you should get it to work just fine. So here it is with the lights. And it moves. Now this is a, for anyone curious, this is a DN163K4A Digitrax DCC decoder. It's the same decoder that they put in the ACS-64. And yeah, that's everything for now.